Hey everybody, welcome back to Pro-Cal Garage. Thanks again for tuning in to one of my episodes with the Chevelle restoration. Today we are going to be grinding down the Chevelle to bare metal. Now there's a couple ways you can go about this. You can take it to get media blasted. If you do that, chances are you're going to spend a couple $1,000s for it. If you want to go a different route, I highly recommend Eastwood, okay, Contour SCT. Okay, this item here, I've done a couple hours of research, and based on what I've came up with, this seems like the better option. Today we're going to actually put it to the test and see how well it does. It has some weight to it, so it'll help you lay good on the vehicle when it comes to grinding. You can also purchase a couple of extra drums. You know, chances are maybe 2 or 3 to grind it all the way down would be good, and then just to smooth it out and prep it, you can use other drums. Now, once it's down to bare metal, I highly recommend you guys invest in this as well. It's a fast etch, acid-based rust remover, and a metal prep. Okay, so this, what it does, it'll clean the metal, and also it'll protect it from getting rusted. So we can let it sit on the side for a while and not worry about it getting rusted. So I highly recommend this fast etch from Eastwood. Before we get started, just want to make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell. That way when you guys, when I do upload videos, you'll be notified and you can go ahead and access them quickly. There's a lot of information that's being provided here, and I know some of you guys have been sending me comments, and I appreciate that with the help and whatnot. And if you have feedback to give me, please feel free to give me some feedback. We're doing this together. It's my first time doing it, so let's get to it. All right, here we go. Alright guys, here we are. Just finished this panel. We're going to start working on the other side. Just want to take a little break. Now, using this machine, the machine is good. Don't get me wrong, it saves a lot of time, but it is tiring. You can probably get the whole vehicle done if you have more than one person doing the job. You definitely have to take breaks in between. You have to change the drum. Make sure everything is coming out just the way it should. So here it is, very nice. Look at this, it's very nice. Nice and smooth. Doesn't look like I'm going to be doing a lot of body work, which is good. But here it is, it's awesome. So let's keep working at it. Join me. Alright guys, that's it. I'm done. Yeah, as you can see, is a lot of mess. So make sure you guys are wearing your proper face mask / respirator. Also some goggles. You don't want that stuff in your lungs or your eyes. Also make sure when you apply the fast etch into the bare metal, make sure to wear some proper gloves. You don't want this stuff on your skin. This is a acid-based chemical, so again, you don't want this stuff on your skin. Alright, Contour SCT, good tool to have, definitely recommended. Good luck on your projects, guys. Guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you guys get notified when new videos are posted. And also feel free to leave some comments. Thank you. Till next time. Stay tuned.